Safety Climate Tool is a perception survey. It's a perception survey about safety that's been in place in the UK since 1999, and we've brought it here to British Columbia for the construction industry, for members of the BCCSA, and we house it on our servers and help companies administer this survey and survey their workforce and help them analyze the results. When a company has a management system in place, a core or core-like management system in place, we're seeing positive results of that. We've got now a UBC study that shows that companies with a core management system in place do have fewer accidents than none. However, some companies, it's a 20% improvement, and some companies get a bit plateaued there and have a difficulty going forward. So what this tool does is opens up a whole new dimension to how we apply our safety management systems. CORE is a very elegant and robust structure for how to manage safety, but it doesn't tell us the subtleties, the nuances, and the details. It doesn't tell us how to apply it per se. And this tool goes a long way towards gathering everybody's perceptions around that and opening up a conversation with the workforce about how safety works. And so we've really found it tremendous. Those companies that have gone through it so far this year have all spoken very highly of it and found the results very insightful. And they found that it's a very simple, hassle-free delivery method. It is a web-based survey, and it is completely anonymous. The BCCSA houses the results, and I can tell you from looking at our side of it at the back end, it is very anonymous. There's no way we can identify individuals. But the results are taken, in aggregate, and the factors come out there. There's no individual responses really included. The use of it is free for BCCSA members, of which all construction employers in the province are members of the BCCSA. It probably takes about 2 to 3 hours worth of meeting and discussion to set it up until we're ready to go live. For each participant in the survey, depending on their open-ended answers and how much they write in, just getting through the base survey itself, though, takes between 10 and 15 minutes per person. And we can analyze the results, have the software analyze the results, and have those out to companies within the day. What I think the survey does is it gets us having a conversation about safety in our organizations that we have not traditionally had. These carefully worded and chosen questions are the first volley in that discussion. So we ask the entire workforce these questions, and they respond in the survey, and we see those results. They answer back. And when we receive those results then, it begs further questioning. And so in that way, it really is the beginning of a new conversation that shouldn't end when the survey ends. It keeps us communicating on a different level about what really works and what doesn't, and how certain aspects of our safety management system feel to the workforce. And so in that sense, it's an ongoing conversation that really shouldn't end. Company executive have found the results very interesting, and they have been full of questions that they want to go back and further inquire with their people, and it develops trust with their people that they're asking the right questions and their people respond. We'd like to see follow-up surveys perhaps every year. The first time any company does it, it just creates a baseline, and you can measure improvement against that. And so we're really looking forward to finishing this year strong and getting the tool out there, and then going into year 2.